Guys, look at this. If you like to keep your fridge super clean, especially that rubber that gets very grimy, and you're used to cleaning the rubber with a toothbrush, or even those little hand brushes or dishwashing bushes with the green part, don't do it. Over time, you'll damage the rubber, you'll wear it down. And that's why sometimes the fridge doesn't close, it loses its seal. So I'm going to give you a tip now so that you can clean your fridge, especially this grimy part, in less than 2 minutes. Here's what you need to do. Take a container and pour half a glass of water into it. Normal tap water. Now get the detergent. I'm using this neutral one, but you can use the one you prefer. Here, we'll add 2 tablespoons of detergent. 2 tablespoons. We'll also need bicarbonate, baking soda. If you don't have it, you can use salt, which also works, but give preference to bicarbonate, which is much better. Here, we'll add approximately 2 tablespoons. I'm going to do it by eye here as I'm used to doing it. Approximately 2 tablespoons. Is that good? I give it a mix. To finish off, I'm going to use vinegar, but it has to be alcohol vinegar. The other kind won't work. I'll put the same amount of water in the same glass, up to half of the alcohol vinegar. And note that when I pour in the vinegar, there will be a reaction here, but it's absolutely normal. It starts to foam a little. Just mix it and wait here for a while until the foam subsides. Look, the foam has gone down, just mix some more. And our mixture here, folks, is ready. Now to make it easier to apply, you're going to use a spray bottle. Take a funnel and pour all our mixture into the spray bottle. Now just close it and we can use it. Let's go to the fridge and I'll show you how to use it. So here, folks, as I said, this rubber usually gets quite grimy. And this is where people go wrong, scrubbing with a toothbrush. Don't do that. Here's what you do. Take this, our mixture, and simply, you spray it on, all over the rubber. You can also spray it on top. And now we're going to leave it here for about a minute or a minute and a half. The mixture will start to work. It will soften all the grime. And then we'll wipe off all the dirt with a cloth. Well, that's it. Now take a cloth and just wipe away the dirt. Look at this. Look how easily it cleans. All that grime. It's a big difference. The difference here. And we'll wipe it down here too. And there you go. I've finished. Look at the difference, even in here, which is very grimy. Look how much cleaner it is. So, very nice. And you can do this cleaning, especially on the rubber, every fortnight. Then it won't look ugly and grimy, and you won't damage the seal either. So that's it. Do it at home. I'm sure you'll really enjoy it.